Welcome to Auto Buzz, where we bring you the sharpest updates from the fast lane of the motoring world. Today we are diving deep into a machine that has redefined the boundaries of performance and engineering in the current year. The 2026 SP Automotive Chaos is not just a car but a declaration of technical superiority and raw power. This Greek masterpiece, often referred to as the world's first Ultracar, pushes the envelope of what is possible on four wheels using materials and manufacturing techniques that seem to come straight from an aerospace laboratory. At the heart of this beast lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V10 engine that produces a symphony of mechanical aggression. Depending on the specific trim, the power output is staggering, reaching figures that were once thought impossible for a production vehicle. The zero-gravity version, for instance, utilizes 3D-printed titanium and magnesium alloy components to ensure that the engine can withstand the immense pressure of its high-revving nature. This allows the Chaos to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 2 seconds, making it one of the quickest accelerating machines on the planet. The aerodynamic profile of the Chaos is a marvel of fluid dynamics. Every curve and bend is designed to manage airflow with surgical precision. The bodywork is crafted primarily from Xylon, which is a high-strength polyazole fiber that provides incredible rigidity while keeping the total weight of the car remarkably low. Huge venturi tunnels run along the underbody to create a vacuum effect, pinning the car to the tarmac during high-speed maneuvers. This active aero system adjusts in real time to provide the perfect balance between downforce and drag reduction, ensuring stability whether you are on a straightaway or carving through a tight corner. Steering inside the Chaos feels like stepping into the cockpit of a fighter jet. The interior features a futuristic minimalist design where physical buttons are replaced by augmented reality displays and gesture controls. The steering wheel itself is a rectangular yoke that provides tactile feedback through an advanced haptic system. Passengers are cocooned in seats made of 3D-printed materials that are custom molded to the occupant's body shape for maximum support during high G turns. One of the most impressive features of the 2026 model is the integration of exotic materials like anhydrous, which is a specialized carbon fiber weave that offers superior thermal resistance. The braking system is equally revolutionary, featuring 3D-printed ceramic discs and calipers that can dissipate heat instantly, allowing for repeated heavy braking without any performance fade. The suspension system uses adaptive dampers that scan the road ahead hundreds of times per second to prepare for imperfections before the tires even touch them. The 2026 SP Automotive Chaos is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of speed. It represents the pinnacle of the Ultracar segment, blending extreme power with cutting-edge digital integration. From the titanium exhaust tips to the intricate mesh of its cooling ducts, every millimeter of this vehicle is optimized for performance. It is a rare glimpse into the future of automotive excellence, where the lines between reality and imagination are blurred by sheer velocity. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most extreme car of the year, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with everything happening here at Auto Buzz.